Alright everybody, we're going to show you how to use a bling connector kit. Super simple. First, insert your hook to the vise. Build up a little bit of a thread base. Then what you're going to do is there's several pieces that come in. So you got these and this. First, there. Then, take your stopper and insert the stopper and slide that back. Now we're going to tie it down. Once we feel satisfied with that, we are going to whip finish. And use a little bit of resin or Zap-A-Gap just for some added strength. Good to go. Also in the kit comes some swivels. You're going to take the swivel, put it in your vise. Add a couple thread wraps. And then you're going to grab one of your favorite tails. This is a Pacchiarini dragon tail, holographic rainbow. And you're going to tie it onto the side of this swivel. And using this swivel will allow you to interchange tails on the same fly. A little bit of resin. Cure it. Now your tail is ready for action. So then what you're going to do is you're going to pick your rig back up. I'll put it in the vise so you guys can see it. You take the swivel through the loop, so it's just at the end of here. Then hold it down, and slide that over, and slide your stopper back. And now you have rigged your hook using a bling tail kit. Hope this helps, and can't wait to see what you guys do. Thank you.